Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute. It is Monday, the 13th of October, Columbus Day, and we are at the sort of the second half of this long duration coastal storm. The overnight, just looking at some of the higher wind gusts that were recorded, generally in the middle to upper 40s across southern New England and Long Island, as far as those wind gusts are concerned. The same probably holds for the New Jersey shore. Try to take a look at a few numbers there. If, of course, the map would just load them up, but apparently it's not going to. We'll come back to this and take another look in just a bit. In the meantime, we still have our low pressure center. It is sitting off the coast of the Delmarva Peninsula, and we have, I think, one more high tide to get through with respect to coastal flooding. There was an overnight high tide after midnight. There's one more that I think we'll go through after lunchtime today, or early this afternoon, and then we should start to see the coastal flooding conditions subside somewhat over the next day or two. It's going to take a while for that to happen. Had some rain overnight. We do see it on the radar this morning that there is rain over areas in parts of New Jersey and Long Island. It looks like some of the heavier rain has moved into upstate New York, into the Hudson Valley, as well as into Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. So at least it's getting into areas in northern New England and northwestern New England that have been exceedingly dry. So we're still going to be dealing with some on and off rain showers again, maybe another uh, 3/4 of an inch to an inch in some places could fall. Other places will get less. And there's our low. And we're just going to deal with some more rain and wind as we go through today and into tonight. And then finally, the low drops southeastward, and we'll start to get into some improving weather conditions for Tuesday, particularly the second half of Tuesday. It might be a lot of clouds still around in the morning, but we should see an increasing amount of sunshine. And there's a nice chilly high that's building in for the middle part of next week, I'm sorry, the middle part of this week, particularly for Wednesday night into Thursday. That will be the chilliest of the days where we'll be down near 40 or so Thursday morning with 30s and cold spots, and temperatures not much out of the 50s anywhere on Wednesday. High goes out. We have a decent start to the weekend. A weather front approaches late Sunday with perhaps the chance for some showers or maybe even a thunderstorm or two, and then it turns colder again behind that. We'll cover this all tonight on the Joe and Joe Weather Show podcast, and that's at 7:35 p.m. Eastern Time on YouTube. We'll see you tonight.